Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm breaking down the fascinating world of robotic arms in just 3 easy steps. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how these marvels of engineering work, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about, think of a robotic arm like a human arm. It's got joints, segments, and an end effector, which is like a hand. Each part of the arm is interconnected and can move in different directions, giving it an incredible range of motion. The segments are typically made from strong materials like aluminum or steel to withstand heavy use. And the joints, they're powered by motors, usually electric or hydraulic, which provide the torque needed to move the arm. So, in essence, the structure and design provide the skeletal framework and muscle power for the robotic arm. All right, now on to step 2. This is where things get really interesting. The brain of the robotic arm is its control system. It could be a simple microcontroller or a sophisticated computer. The control system sends signals to the motors in the joints, telling them how much to move and in which direction. This is usually done using software programs that calculate the precise movements required for tasks. Imagine having a complex dance choreography programmed into your brain, and you follow it with perfect precision. That's essentially how these robotic arms operate. And finally, step 3. This is the secret sauce that makes robotic arms smart and adaptable. Sensors are placed throughout the arm to monitor things like position, force, and speed. These sensors send real-time data back to the control system, which then adjusts the arm's movements accordingly. For example, if the arm encounters an unexpected obstacle, the sensors can alert the control system to stop or change direction. This feedback loop is crucial for precision tasks like assembling tiny components in electronics or performing delicate surgeries. So there you have it. And 3 simple steps that unlock the secrets of how a robotic arm works. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. And hey, leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.